Welcome to Ramjet Bros. Today we're going to teach you how to make 40-second cheesecake in a cup. So for this cheesecake recipe, it's very simple. All you'll need is 1 cup of sour milk and half a cup of condensed milk and mix them together. Just make sure you mix it very well. Then make sure everything is even consistency. I know it sounds like a very strange combination, but trust me, it tastes amazing. And if you want, you can actually flavor them according to whatever essences you have. You can put strawberry essence, you can put caramel essence, whatever you like, whatever flavors you like. And so today, after we mix very well, I got 2 glasses. So most people do like a base with their cheesecake. So I have crushed up Oreos. So you're going to add that to the bottom. Then also for the other one, I got crushed up tennis biscuits. See, simple, quick and easy. And what you do next, you literally just pour it in slowly. So I'm just going to make sure that each one has an equal amount of filling. So this recipe is more just for 2 servings. There you have it. And now we're just going to pop this in the microwave for 40 seconds and then we should be done. Taking it, putting in the microwave for 40 seconds each. Just ensure that you don't go over 45 seconds because once it starts bubbling, it's going to start splitting and it won't be very good. So just take care to watch it, and if there's a bubble that comes on top, stop immediately. Now we got our cheesecakes out of the microwave for 40 seconds and 45 seconds. At 45 seconds, you'll see that this one here actually split. So it actually doesn't look as tempting. And here we got one that at 40 seconds. But still remember, it's a little bit loose. So what we need to do, we need to cool it down. So we're going to put it in the fridge for about half an hour, or you can put it in the freezer for about 15 minutes. And I'll come back and I'll show you the final product. So 30 minutes has passed and our cheesecake has firmed up, as you can see. So I'm just going to sprinkle over some more Oreos. Now this is for me. Yeah. And have a bite. See? Delicious.